ring shown on the screen here has been made with Blender, FluidDesigner, and the JewelCraft add-on, and essentially it's just made up of parametric smart objects just joined together. So there's a letter C and E added to it, and there's an N up a curve added to the ring, and the support for the gemstone, which in this case is a Princess Square Sapphire, which is just added using JewelCraft. The letters of the alphabet and the other items are just added from the object library, so you can just go to object library and go to Harrington font, where you can add letters and personalize your ring. In this example, it's got the letter C and the letter E on it. My computer's running a little bit slowly, but essentially it's this letter here and this letter from the alphabet that are added to the ring. So if we look at the ring now from different angles, we can see what the finished product would look like once you've actually created it yourself. Okay, so basically what you do is just use parametric smart objects to make the finished ring, and we're just using the software FluidDesigner for 3D printing.